The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you on this Tuesday morning, 20th day of September already? Wow. At 3:58 in the morning, it is 72 degrees here in East Montgomery with a dew point of 71. Sure doesn't feel like fall out here. You know, for the last few weeks on these videos, we've been looking way out into the distance on the computer models, looking for any signs of relief. Sometimes when you look that far out on the computer models, you get disappointed because the forecast will change and modify. We'll look ahead. I still think there'll be, you know, a little relief by the end of this month into the early part of October. I'll let you be the judge on that. And rain chances not looking very good. We had a little sun shower at this location yesterday afternoon. Maybe some of you got a renegade shower, but I'll tell you what, it's going to be slim pickings on the showers the next few days. Here we go. On the big map this morning, we still see the moisture from Julia, the remnants of Julia, the ghost of Julia, if you will, still robbing our moisture. That's why we're bone dry here. Meanwhile, on the big map, we can see that the front has gone all the way down to the Gulf Coast. There it is, south of Apalachicola. It's going to stay there with the best rain chances along and south of the front next couple of days. You can see that in Florida. You also see the moisture teasing North Carolina, where there's a lot of gale force winds, and it's just really a messy situation with Julia. But for us, it's going to be hard to find a shower. There was a renegade shower or two yesterday afternoon, but boy, oh boy, it's going to be tough to find one today. With abundant sunshine, high 93, tonight's low 71, north winds light at 4 to 8 miles per hour today. Now, let's look out in the tropics. And as we do, besides the clouds with the remnants of Julia off the southeast coast, we see Carl out there in the central Atlantic, and we see a brand new tropical depression number 13. Now, even though we have Carl and 13 way out there in the Atlantic, and things look good for us right now, that may not be the case here in a few days. So right now we're off the hook with Carl turning, making the bend, even missing Bermuda. And then it looks like Lisa will be a fish storm out there in the eastern Atlantic as well. It's a tropical depression right now, but it could become Lisa. Tomorrow, again, most of the moisture is east of us with the remnants, the ghost of Julia. On Thursday, I think on the first day of fall that we are dry. I think any chances of showers are under 20%. We'll put in a 10% chance for Thursday and a 20% chance Friday with the widely scattered storms. Better chances of rain down on the coast Saturday, scattered but only isolated in our part of the world. So for the next few days, lower 90s each day, lower 70s each night. Mostly sunny skies, rain chances only bumping up to about 20% by the time we get to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So not much hope that we're going to get any more drought relief. And we're looking ahead on the European out 10 days. It shows that the best chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms might be next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday as a frontal system approaches, a front that maybe will bring some relief. Although, if you look at the European out 10 days, it shows little signs of any relief through the 29th of this month. So the European's not giving us any hope. However, as we look at the other global model, the GFS, it indicates last couple of days of this month, temperatures will back off a little bit, especially at night, back into the 60s, September 28th through October 5th. That's our best hope right now. We'll keep our fingers crossed, but don't get too excited. Autumn officially begins Thursday, 9:21 a.m. Central Daylight Time, the autumnal equinox. That means tomorrow is the official last day of summer. Hey, don't let me forget, Thursday morning there's a great space station flyover, especially if you're up early, like about 5:48 in the morning, early risers. Very excellent space station flyover. I'll remind you again tomorrow morning. Just wanted to mention it while I was thinking about it. Okay, we're done here. Hope you have a great day today, and I'll be live on the radio, of course, this morning with Greg and Jay and LaDonna on NewsTalk 93.1, and with Bubba and Christy on BAMA Country, and also on the 8 radio station group. Your forecast all day long on Blue Water Broadcasting. Another update from the Blue Water Weather Center at 11 o'clock this morning at RichThomasWeatherNetwork.com. That's live and in color, and it's good stuff. It's great information from our Weather Center. And another video tomorrow, first thing tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. Hey, Bailey. Bailey's right there. She's about 5 feet away. She's ready for her morning walk. We have such a routine. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the morning, okay?
Rich Thomas Weather.